well, here we are. We are at Morley, and we were shopping around. Hi, this is Lee. Welcome back to my page. Today is Thursday, the 23rd of November, and here we are in, of course, Galleria shopping, and I think we've done our dash shopping, but we didn't plan for the movies. And what happened was Dora smelled some yummy popcorn. So she said, hey, let's go to the movies and check it out. There's a new movie on. Of course, we're just looking for my birthday, I don't mind, as long as I want to go somewhere that's nice and cool. So here we are at the massage chairs, and if you're out shopping and you want to just relax a little bit, come out to anywhere there's shopping centres, and then just sit down and relax and get yourself massaged. I think it's $2, and just enjoy the time. It's getting into Christmas and people are just rushing around and doing all sorts, stressing out maybe. But I think it's a time we just need to reflect. What is Christmas really about, right? What is Christmas really about? So that's important. And that's what's important to know what Christmas is about. It's a time when families get together. It's a time also when Jesus was born. So reflect on these things. And it's all about family. It's not about buying all these wonderful gifts and flash looking lights for Christmas, even though we are buying a few of those. But it's not all about that. It's about relaxing, taking time to breathe. Yes, I think it's really, really important to relax and get a massage and go and see a movie. Just do something different when everyone else is rushing around and shopping and I think it's important anyway. So this is Lily. I'm just giving you a few tips on what to do for Christmas, and then get out to swimming pools. Be nice, beach. So for now, I just want to share with you what we are doing today, and I think it's just wonderful to just hang out with family, being together. Just catch up with family, friends, have a coffee. Don't be alone this Christmas. Be with someone and call up your friends, call up your family and say, let's go out for lunch, let's go to a movie. And I think it'll be worth it. I think you'll really, really will enjoy it. Have a massage, have a movie. And I think I could do this once a week. I don't know about the movie, but the massage. So thank you for joining me on the page. It's wonderful to see you. That's my bed in the background. So we're going to go now, and I think we're going to go into check in our movie and buy our popcorns and ice cream. So that'll make you feel like wanting to go out to a movie. Yeah? Popcorns and ice cream. Yummy. Okay, cheers for now. We'll see you on my next videos. Subscribe to my page. And see you again. Bye for now.